Welcome everyone. My name is Likhon Bhuiyan. My student ID is 221155966. Today's presentation we will discuss about TrainBuddy. TrainBuddy is an app. It is very smoother and helpful for those people who use train in their everyday life. Here we can see our homepage of this app. In this section, user can log in and sign up. In this project, I create Figma prototype. Here we can see the main interface where a user can log in and sign up. In this section, they add their email and password for login. After that, in sign up option, user can use their username, email, and password for sign up. In this section, I used my mail and password for login. Then after login, here we can see the interface where user can find their train location and other status like date, month, year. Then they search their train for the schedule and etc. In this section, live updates in public can post anything about train. Then in this section we see that the user account. In this section, user can see their name, email, and account created date. They can edit their username and delete account option also. They can use to sign out and sign in also there, and they can see also their recent activity. After that, in this section, they find their locations, train. They put their location, and in this section they search. Then they can see the exact location and departs and arrive time also, and date also. That's all about for my section. Now I want to call our next presenter for this presentation.
Thank you, my previous presenter, passing me the floor. This is Abdulla Mamun Sheikh. My bearing ID is 221155530. We can see the landing interface for login and sign up. For suppose we have a new user in this website, so we can need create a new account. So we can see a user account. Suppose my name is Mamun Sheikh. Then create my email address mamunsheikh at gmail.com. Then set a password. Here you can see suppose give a normal weak password. Here you can show the weak password to password, then they make strong password. Then we try a new strong password. Here you can see our login successful. Then we can log in our account. Login successful. Then I can see my coding part. Here you can see we used Fireface for authentication. As in my part is authentication in Fireface. So we can check Fireface account. Here you can see an authentication part. There you can see all user information stored here, and the password is stored a encryption type. That's all about my part.
Hey, this is Fahim Rupak. My ID is 221154751. So it is our homepage. You already seen it. I want to go to our account sections. So in our account sections, you can see our account details. First one is you can see there are a name. There is a name, and in second line there is the email, and there is the option that account created, where which time and in which date the account is created. Okay. Also here you can see some crowd options. Edit username and delete account. If you go to the edit username, I want to set my username to the Mamun Sheikh. Okay, you can see that the name is already updated. So there are another option, delete account. So let's look out in the code sections where this done. Okay, so you can see that the Firebase integrations in our code. By Firebase integrations, we connected this profile section to our database. Okay, then here you can see the fire function delete account, by which we can delete our account. And here function edit username, I can as you can see that I already edit our username of our account. Okay, by these functions. Then I want to go to our homepage of my TrainBuddy. Let's in our homepage you can see that there are some text field. So in our first text field we can put starting station, which details I want to see. So if you search Dhaka and our destination stations, if you search Shorishabari, okay, and if you put today's date, okay, here you can see that all the details of this train from Dhaka to Shorishabari has been shown in our system. So where is this database? Let's go to our code. Here we can see that a JSON file that we created named as all trains. Okay, in this JSON file we put all the data of our trains in Bangladesh. So while we are tapping on the search button by from the systems, the system will automatically load all the data from this file. Okay, and that's all from me.
Hello sir, my name is Avibrata Saha and my ID is 2211547225. In today's presentation, I will describe the post part of our project. So here we can see in text box, anyone can give their update like I am at Dhaka station now. I can post my update here. So everybody can see my post and they can update it. Also, I can edit my post like this, and also I can delete my post. So all of these things are happening in the Firebase Firestore storage. So here you can see our codes. Here you can see the post codes like the loading post. So whichever post we have created on the page, the post will be loaded in this part, and the API using of Firebase Firestore, we will save the post on the Firebase and retrieve the post data from there. Also here the edit and delete section, which you have can delete post, like here is the enable edit, we can edit our post, and here is the save edit, we can save the edited part. Also the deleted post code is here. That's how we do these functions. Now let's go the next function, which is live train location. Suppose we want to know a train details like where is it now, Subarna Express 720. If we search, now we can see the Subarna Express location, which is between Vimanbandar and Chattogram in current time 4 and 5:58 p.m. BST. So we have seen the progress bar of 24%. So how that happened? We have all the static data of the trains. So we are using some mathematical term here to get this approximate live location of a train. So here we can see a JSON file of all trains, which will show us the departure time and arrival time of a train. So we can do some mathematical equations to get this result. Now the Telegram bot part, which you have integrated using Telegram. Okay. Now the multi-leg road part. So suppose we are want to go Dhaka from Bogora or other places like Sylhet to Dinajpur, which we can do that directly. So we have a via stations like Sylhet, Dhaka, Dinajpur. So if we search, we will get the via roads. So first of all, we have to take the Jantika Express, then we have to take the Drutojan Express. So all this information we are getting from the JSON file database, which we have already shown here. From this database, we are getting all these informations, and we are loading our information here and getting all the information. Also, we can see the leg, first leg fares like the Sumanchar, SCHR, etc. So how does we get that? We also have a JSON file of all data set of fares. Like here you can see the fare of 110 taka. In Subonchar, in Snigdha it is 180. We have all of the data set, so we have integrated in this using the JavaScript. So we will getting all of these data. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. Now I would like to call my next presentator, Meraj.
Hello sir, my name is Meraj and my ID is 5632. So now I am going to talk about the rest of our project. So first of all, the download train data. In here, if we write any train's name, for example, the Suborna Express. So if you go to the train and search the train name, we'll have the schedule of the train and we will be able to download in the PDF file. So if I click download, then we'll have the ability to download in our uh, computer, and we can also view it like this. So this is the Suborna Express schedule. This will be running from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and there it has a Monday as an off day. So this is the download train data, and if you go to the code, we'll have the code in the APK.js, and if you find, so this is the download button for our PDF. So we have used a download PDF JavaScript module to download PDF from the train data. So next of all, we'll go to the platform info. If you search any platform, for example, it's Biman Bandar. If you go to the Biman Bandar, then we'll have all the trains arrival and departure time of the platform info. And if you go to the code here in VS Code, we have all the trains info and the platform info here in the JSON file format. The format will be converted to use in our code. Then we have some useful features like useful websites of Bangladesh Railway. Then we have different communities to help the users to find different suggestions for trains. Then we have a find route and smart suggestion. These are also we are trying to integrate in the future. Then we have a review section for our travelers, which the traveler will review our system and how it works. If we write something like, then we'll have the rating system of good, excellent, average, etc. Then the user can post this like this. This is my recent review. And if I go to the VS Code and search review here, then we can see that the code of the review system is given here. We have used the user ID of and display the username who reviewed the code, and give the tag right of the in a text format. There are also load reviews load reviews method, which will load the review. If I uh, refresh the website, the review will be loaded and the star will be given here. That's all from us. Thank you, sir, for watching our presentation. Assalamu alaikum.